You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, and yes, I was duped. I was duped in the Easter aisle, and I said I had to buy this because I had never seen it. It's not technically an Easter candy. It's called Face Twisters Paint Rollers, but it was intriguing enough for me to want to buy two of them. It says paint roller candy, rainbow roller with sour gel candy, and it feels like there's a paint tray. And the actual candy is on the end. It's the roller head, and it's like a rainbow colors with little white stripes in it on a green paint roller. Why did I buy two? I don't know. I was thinking, maybe that'd be a different flavor, but you could just tell there isn't. And well, I just wanted to. And it is from Schuster Products. There's the ingredients, and it just looked unique enough. So the front of the bag is open like a clear window, so I can see what's in there. And then they show, it says paint roller with this little funny looking brain-like pink character with his eyes kind of puckering and his eyes looking out like, ooh. And then across the front then, in the background slightly, is a real paint roller with a blue paint head with blue paint going across. And it says Face Twisters like a goopy top. What do you think? Too much time talking? Less time describing? What? What is it that bothers you? Or not? Alright, there we go. So it does look like a roller tray. And it has the ridges. And a roller tray, although the roller tray, you want the ridges up here so that when you roll off the paint, it goes into the smooth section. It's almost reversed of a regular paint tray. Uh-oh. Someone wasn't paying attention. Up here is usually where your roller meets all the grooves. Then again, it doesn't matter. Okay, so this goopy candy on the inside, it's like a red. And I'm just going to kind of warm it up a little, because I want it to goop onto my paint tray. I guess that's why I bought two, so I could double up the paint. I'm calling it paint, but it's just red, gelatinous, sour candy, right? Sour gel. Okay, here we go. Slice the end. And then let's see what it looks like as it gels out into my paint tray. I guess my paint trays are textured, more textured. They don't have those big ridges. Okay, so it doesn't just want to nicely come out. There's no easy way to get the rest of this out. I know an easy way would be to kind of just work it out like that, but that's disgusting. No one wants to see that or hear that. Okay, I got as much as I can out of this. Let's just let it goop in there. All right. So that's out of the tray. Now the roller head. Let's see. So it's about 3 inches, 3-inch long. Okay. Use the nice handy scissors you got there, Dave. Okay, good idea. Let's see how well it spins. Okay, so it's a little stiff on the spin. So, but let's just see in the tray how it works. Here we go. We'll go like that so you can see. Okay, so even with the resistance of that candy, you're not getting a good, it's not really spinning. It will spin when you do that, but not when you do that. Oh, okay, so now the goal is to do this. Okay, let's see. Sourness. Not that sour. There we go. Come on. Pull it up there and then push it back there. It hasn't rolled one iota. Okay, that's why I got 2. I'm going to try the other one. So you almost have to kind of go like that and the flavor is good. It's not very sour. Let's see if this one rolls better. Okay, this time we'll cut it. I want to just be able to go spin like a paint roller. Spin, spin. Okay, so you're not going to be rolling. This one doesn't roll either, but it's really cool color-wise, design-wise. I think it's a pretty neat candy. But we have some shortcomings here. All right, you know what I'm going to do next, right? Here we go. Be ready. Don't freak out. So the coloring only goes so far. And it doesn't break apart when you chew it. It's like a hard... candy, but it stays together as you chew it. Does that make sense? That is what it looks like on the inside. I got the last goopy bit. Very little sour. Trying to chew through it. What are you gonna do with that? You would have to lick it off the tray. That makes more sense. You're licking your lickable painter tray. Okay, let's say on the scale of uniqueness and coolness, just the overall look, this rate's pretty high to me because it is a neat type of candy. And its functionality, we had some shortcomings there, but you know, when you're done eating it, it doesn't really matter, does it? Overall, I'm going to say that's pretty cool. Not an Easter candy, but a cool one indeed. And I like showing unique things like this. I have over the years. It's been a long time. 2010 was my first video. Okay, let's have 14 years. I missed my 11th, 12th, 13th, and 14th anniversary. Everything has happened so fast. Either way, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Check out that playlist, link in the description area. Watch more videos, please. And thanks for watching. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.